Hey, it's Simply V here, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how can you calculate your most significant numbers in numerology the lazy way. So if you don't want to do all the calculations by yourself, but you want to make sure that your calculations are accurate, then this is a video to watch, because the issue with a lot of online calculators is that they are simply not accurate. I have it unfortunately not too rarely happening in my reading that people come into my readings, they tell me they already know their numbers, and after I calculate them without a calculator. I always double check on a calculator, though on a trusted one. And the numbers are simply completely wrong. It's not that it's a life path 2 and a life path 11, which could get mixed up eventually, or a life path 22 and a life path 4. It's not that someone like a life path 5 and a life path 9, or destiny 8 and it's actually a destiny 5. So you get the point. You want to use a trusted website. So I'm here in this video to make it very, very simple. So join me into that process and follow along. Into your browser, astro-seek.com, and you see it's all about astrology, love, birthday, moon phases. In this case, you click on Numerology Calculator, and then we get into the numerology section, numerology, and then you have here the full numerology calculator for free. So it is very easy. You can see here, you can calculate your life path number, your birthday number, and then your name numerology, which is your destiny number, here name number, soul urge number, personality number, and you can calculate as well your personal year. And I just simply make an example here, but it's very intuitive. So let's see when we can calculate here even a full report. Let's test it out with my birthday, which should come out to a life path 34/7. Let's see. Calculate report. So now I should receive a full report here. It should take them a moment to calculate it. All right, I'm a life path 7. Yes, that's okay. And we even see here the middle step, 34/7. So when you download my numerology handbook, fill it into the section, fill in your most important numbers in the report. So down life path number 34/7, you have here a small text. I am not a huge fan of those interpretations. They're very broad. I rather would watch a video on my channel about the 34/7, or to read in my numerology guide. Then you see here birthday number 17, capability. As well, it gives a short introduction. It is a good it is a good description. It's not the most thorough one. And then we come here to the personal year, which is okay. We see here as well they're using the 2 methods, and that's actually very nice for you as well, very nice to understand. I like that a lot about that website, that they have the both methods here. So the first method is personal year until next birthday. So that would mean that I'm still in the personal year 3 until my birthday. Or second method, that I'm in my personal year 22/4. They don't use here the master numbers for the personal year. I would see it as a 22/4, but the calculation is correct, and that is the most important. So here you get that report. Now let's go back, because I want to calculate now the name numbers and show you as well the accuracy of those numbers. So we go now on name numerology, and I give in here, you see name number, they have this as a destiny number, or as well you could know it as expression number, soul urge number, heart desire, and personality number. I take here as well my name, because there I can confirm that these are the correct numbers. And I calculate name numerology, and then it will calculate now all the 3 numbers for me. Drop me in the comments which are your 4 most significant or 5 most significant numbers in the comments, and if you have any specific question. So my destiny number is a 6, that's correct. Soul urge number 1, personality 5. All right, though that is accurate to my calculations, and this is the perfect way to get your numbers. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So that's the most you can get out of that. There's not a long description. I would then Google on my channel about your destiny number. I don't have a soul urge number series yet. If you want one, request it in the comments. The more people comment on it, the more likely I'm going to create the content. It's very simple. It's a lazy way, and I can just only recommend. It's a trusted website, it's accurate, and that's the most important. Then when you get those numbers, get the free numerology handbook, which you find in the description below, and I have a lot of playlists to each and every life path number, destiny number, birthday numbers. Super simple, and it's a lazy way. So comment lazy if you're as well a lazy person. And being lazy is a great thing, because you outsource other things. You keep your genius for the things you're good at, and I see you in the next one.